Boni boza bien ngai na za bien. Lelo fona sa la présentation na anglais. Français déjà is un problème. Siko fona sa la lisusu anglais. My God. Siko na zuluba na bino makamfuna loba me bosse ka ngai te, bosse ka peza ngate. Et puis ba tuninga pe olinga ka iloko nini na lokaka na linga ka koza la Chloé l'africaine me ba comprendre ngai te mais na loba ka na bino makamfuna loba me peza linka ka loba kose ka ngai te. Okay. Hello, my name is Chloé. I'm 10 years old. In this short presentation, I'm going to tell you something about my hobby. My hobby is acting. I started acting when I was 2 years old. Now I have my own YouTube channel, Instagram and a Facebook account with a lot of followers. I'm going to tell you what I like about acting. Number 1, with acting, I can be everything I want. Number 2, with acting, I can create my own world. Number 3, with acting, I feel free. The name of my acting school is Plinkplank in Amersfoort. The name of my teachers are Mark, Barbara and Elke. We have always fun together. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay, Pino Bomini. Nasali bien ou nasali bien te? Me pensa de classo is luk langama makamu.